Hello, it's me from Little Divas, and today we're going to be making slime. And I'm with my sister here,
Hola.
Emma, and my friend here, Miley. And we are going to make a slime.
I'm gonna say what slime I'm making. She's gonna say.
Yep.
So I'm making gold metallic slime. So
I am making titanium.
it looks like silver though.
It's still silver slime.
We're gonna take turns.
And I'm gonna make fluffy slime. I'm not sure what color, so
Okay,
yeah.
so first we're gonna pour glue, which is
Obviously.
regular glue for all of us. So if you guys want to do this, we're making the same thing but different colors.
Each grab a happy spatula.
Okay,
So we all have the same spatula because they're cute.
that's how much glue you're doing.
That's not a lot at all.
No, wait,
Come on, put a little bit more than you did because I don't want. That's good. Put the same amount that you did for mine.
okay.
Hey, you put way more in her than you did
I
mine.
tried.
But that's okay. It's fine.
Okay, so next.
We all got glue in.
Kendall, what's your next step? I don't know. Well,
I'm gonna add
shaving cream.
shaving cream.
Shaving cream. Wait 1 sec. Let me get it. Or wait.
I know I'm taking it off. Shake it. You have to shake it first.
You don't have to.
I mean, you can't.
Can I do my own?
That's a lot. Okay, I got it.
We don't. Our shaving cream's on our step. Okay, next we're gonna add our paint now. So don't add a lot more.
Emma. And
I'm really
I'm
scared.
gonna add
How
my
you can't mix it?
food coloring.
Get off me.
Need some
Marty,
comb.
Wait, I want to see. Don't add a lot.
Ow.
Okay.
This is scary. She's gonna make. I don't wanna add food coloring right now.
She's just gonna make white slime.
I'm making gold metallic or
Silver.
and Emma's making gold slime.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
I'm not gonna add a lot.
Can I do a little bit? I'm gonna see what happens.
I wish I had more shaving cream.
Okay, mix it and see what happens.
Can you just add a teeny more shaving cream?
Wait.
Mine is fluffy slime. This is not fluffy at all.
Marky mixing.
I don't want. Thank you.
Okay, add a lot. That's good. I'm gonna start adding mine. I probably added too much. Oh
So
my
again,
gosh.
she's making gold metallic. I'm making silver,
I'm
and
gonna
she's
add
making white fluffy slime. Mine just looks
No.
like gray.
Keep adding more.
I'm actually gonna
No, add more.
kind of.
A lot. That's good.
I'm gonna do orange. She's gonna make orange slime.
I'm gonna add more
This is what
glue.
mine looks like.
Oh, let's add more glue.
Yeah, can we add a little bit more?
Yeah.
glue? That's how much
much.
I did for the orange.
Add a little bit more mine.
Boy, it's a lot. Jeez, lady. It's like all I get mixing in there.
Okay, that means it's gonna turn your color even lighter.
Yours isn't looking very gold. It's looking bronze. I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah, yours will probably be good. Just wait.
So, yeah, I'm probably gonna add a little more orange. I wanna make it a darker orange.
I guess it looks weird.
I know yours looks pretty. I like mine.
So yeah, I added a lot more
So
orange.
I'm now done. My
What's
hands
that?
are pink from last time.
Yeah, keep mixing.
I'm done. So
I was
yeah,
about to
I
add
added
this.
a lot more. This is my silver one. It doesn't really look silver. It looks gray. But I like it. I think it looks silver. Yeah. Emma's isn't really looking gold. Oh.
I
Mine is
use the
really
whole thing.
bright and neon.
Okay, this is probably
Yeah,
good.
hers is like a neon orange.
It's neon orange.
Because I
It's
already made
neon
like
orange.
Because I already made like a neon orange.
Yeah, hers is really pretty.
So I'm gonna make it a little darker because I already made
Add a little bit of titanium.
Yeah, just add a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, that's good.
I'm
I'm just gonna add a little bit of gold. Just a little bit.
No.
Just a little bit.
Don't. No.
Oh,
You just ruined it.
I didn't. You don't get to see it.
Marley, no. I'm selling this. slime. So
Emma.
yeah, so
I added that.
there.
So I want like a really
Mine's not that charming. I did the silver house mine.
I want like a really dark neon-ish orange.
So just
Yeah.
Okay,
So yeah, so we're
keep stirring.
Emma,
So
mine
mine
is
is
done. We just still have to add borax or
This looks like
Staflo.
a brown.
Brown. So you guys can use Staflo or borax, but we using the borax water mixture. You're adding a little bit. So
Not that much.
yeah.
So I don't want it that spicy.
Okay, good.
I
really want this to be like.
It's gonna make it feel even lighter.
We're just adding a little bit more shaving cream, or me and Emma are adding shaving cream because we want it a little bit fluffy. What kind of slime are you making?
Just regular slime.
We're just adding a little bit of shaving cream.
All of this.
I want it to be fluffy.
So this is what my slime looks like.
It's like a grayish, silverish. Not a thick and fine. Oh, Mara, I'm in your chair. Okay.
Well, this looks good.
I'm just gonna grab some corn. Kendall, yours is looking really orange. Huh? Hers is looking really orange. Oh my gosh, Emma!
I'm not getting the right consistency.
I'm just gonna color. Just a little bit of regular cornstarch.
This next
We're
one
using the brand
Okay, get a little bit of
Argo.
cornstarch.
Argo cornstarch. Hey, I was just gonna grab some. Can I have some after you?
Yeah.
What does cornstarch do?
It makes it thicker.
That's good. Yeah. That's good, Kendall. Trying to get all of your hands. Kendall, that is good.
So, yeah, I'm gonna.
My gosh, just pour it in, Kendall.
A spoon
Oh,
of
hurry.
cornstarch. It already took 7 minutes, and we really needed it. Don't use a lot more, okay?
That good?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
really thickened things
You don't need a lot
up.
of cornstarch for our slime.
And then we're all adding a little bit of cornstarch just to thicken
Mine
this
looks
up a little bit.
pretty good.
Can I put this over there?
Mine's looking kind of gray.
I think it looks silvery.
Yeah, it looks.
Mine's is like
Hers is brown. Hers is poop. It's kind of looking like gold. So I'm ready to add the black.
Next.
Yeah, I really am just gonna add a teeny bit of body lotion.
Use your board, okay.
I'm starting with just one of these.
No, start mixing, not a lot.
I've actually got
That's
this
good.
moisturizing. I
You
don't
don't need
care what the smell is.
So I'm starting to add my.
I think that might be good. Just keep mixing it like hard.
Two big squirts of that body lotion.
Body lotion makes it stretchy.
No, don't add lotion.
I know, it makes it like.
You guys see it? Like what?
Yeah.
What? Try to mix it like that.
Can I mix yours?
This is the color.
A lot of stuff going on over here.
I'm mixing hers, she's mixing mine.
So,
Ugh.
yeah, I'm just gonna get some hand soap. I've got this, Meyer brand cherry blossom
This
hand
is what Emma's gold is looking like. Brown.
Okay, I think it works.
So yeah, I just got 5 big squirts.
Okay, use that after.
Not quite. I
So
do
now-
5 big squirts.
So now Emma is adding some borax to hers. Mine's
What?
turning.
I think that's really gonna thicken. I want it to be so thick because it is a fluffy slime.
Yeah, you gotta add more.
What did I do?
Kendall, keep it in the middle. Keep it in the middle, Kendall.
She has
Enough.
to get some. Just do like 2 of those at a time, Kendall.
No, I'm
With
doing
how much?
that.
Oh, well, how much? For how much you need?
Yeah, Kendall needs a lot much. Needs a little bit.
So yeah,
Should I add like one more borax?
really coming together.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
first
Borax
one really coming together.
That's fine.
Yeah, my first tablespoon borax. And I just got paint on my arm. Oh, right there.
Oh no. You do that first. That's coming together.
Mar, why are you touching that?
That's chunky.
It's not going down in here.
Yeah.
Mine's getting there.
See, look at mine. Coming together.
Mine's.
Emma, yours is like dough consistency. Mine is like crunchy. What the heck?
Crunchies in
It
it.
does look. That's the cornstarch.
Yeah, you can tell
Oh,
my
gosh,
slime is
it's
not
really
ready.
mushy.
my hand looks so pink because of my slime before this.
Oh, Emma's. I'm only using one hand. That's my fingers. It isn't turning out well.
Mine is.
Me and Emma are just winging it. You're actually.
Can we use the lotion?
Lotion?
Uh-huh.
Just a few squirts.
Mine is getting less.
Because that's my
Oh,
moisturizing lotion.
Put it back in there and keep it.
For my dry skin. Mom doesn't want us to use a lot of that stuff.
Emma, mine isn't turning out
So,
like slime. It's
yeah.
not because we added cornstarch. There's a bunch of like little hard pieces that
really
are cornstarch.
Coming
Mix
together.
it with lotion.
What's the lotion?
Yeah. It's super sticky though. You have like the smallest amount.
Why did you even add borax? Because you weren't even supposed to add borax water. Clean solution.
You added borax.
Oh, you said to add borax. But
It doesn't matter.
what is this garbage? Just throw this away.
Mine is.
So yeah, I ended up with a big blob of slime.
She ended up with
Ah.
good slime. This is what mine looks like.
Sticky.
Really
Crunchy.
not smooth. I don't know what me and Emma did wrong. We followed the directions.
Not really.
Not really. We were supposed to use saline solution, but borax got here and we didn't go to, and we didn't feel like getting saline solution. So I think Kendall's was a win and ours was a.
We could try again. I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna try again, but we're not gonna do it on camera. Oh my gosh! Like, look at this. Like,
Okay, let's throw it.
oh my gosh! This is like,
It was a,
look, this is cornstarch.
who puts that in the middle?
Feel this.
Ew, mine doesn't like that. You didn't mix it good enough. Marley, mine doesn't like that. Touch mine. Touch mine. Play with
Well,
mine.
I know, but I
So
have.
I ended up
It's
with
okay. It's already garbage. So let's just play with it. Like.
good.
Yours is hard, Emma.
I ended up with
Oh,
such
I'm gonna
good
get silver
blob
on
of
this, yeah.
slime.
yeah, I don't care. Look at it.
Thank you
This is
so much.
Emma's. It's like.
Mine
Oh
is
my gosh.
just cool.
Oh yeah, Kendall's is amazing. I don't know what me and Emma did wrong.
So thank you for watching our video.
Yeah. It was a win or a win, fail, fail.
So
Emma's is like really hard. So is mine. Mine's like really hard. Mine is stretchy.
we'll
Yours
see you
is-
next time when we make another video.
Yeah, so make sure to tune in for the other videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure to like, comment your favorite video on this channel before, and subscribe to become a member of our
Yeah.
Diva Squad. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Put it together.